Shiba Inu Coin's 99.9% burn is right around the corner. So do stay tuned until the very end of this video because we have some huge announcements to cover, including massive whale activity, burns, Shibarium updates, and much more. Let's start by talking about Blaze Token, the token that I am starting, which plans to burn trillions of SHIB. We're gonna have a major announcement on our Twitter and YouTube very soon, so make sure to follow on Twitter right here, guys, at Blaze Token. If you currently or not. We'll be explaining how to get Blaze Token, how it's going to be burning trillions of SHIB, and much more extremely soon. You do not want to miss this. This is probably going to be the biggest coin of the week in cryptocurrency. Hands down. It's going to absolutely explode based off of the support we've already been getting. Now, I want to talk about price action for Shiba Inu Coin. We can indeed see that it is down 3% on the day. But do not let that fool you because there's a lot happening very soon here that'll mean that this is most likely going to be churning around. Now, in the short term, I will say it's possible here we're going to be gaining a zero. So just go ahead and keep that in mind. Shiba Inu Coin has a little bit more room to go down in the short term, but in the next 2 to 3 months, so like the midterm, we're going to be seeing something absolutely phenomenal. And many whales agree with this sentiment because they are accumulating more than they've ever accumulated right now at this very moment. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Number 1, trillions of Shiba Inu tokens may hit a major US exchange following a massive Voyager deal that just went through. Under the terms of the agreement, the appeals will continue with respect to the plan's exculpation provision. However, the government has agreed that the plan may move forward with such a provision and will not otherwise be subject to the stay. This decision is expected to speed up the acquisition process and bring the plan to fruition in the near future. As of now, according to D-Bank, Voyager currently holds $266.7 million worth of stablecoins and other digital currencies. Among them is Shiba Inu token, which remains the third largest asset in Voyager's wallet. Even though its amount has decreased by half due to recent sales by the bankrupt broker, more than 3.1 trillion SHIB continue to be held in the wallet. So if you've been wondering why Shiba Inu Coin has had a couple of dumps as of lately and many other top cryptos as well, this is the explanation right here. This is what is causing those short-term sell-offs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other top cryptocurrencies. Voyager has to sell them off. The thing is, with this acquisition that's happening, that is all going to turn around and we're going to see bullish market conditions once again, which is a really big deal and amazing for the Shiba Inu Coin community. But this is far from the most bullish news. We can also see right here that according to CNBC, Shiba Inu will overtake Dogecoin in 1 year. And I very strongly agree with this sentiment. We can see right here Shiba may be set to overtake the top dog coin spot above Doge in a year. Both coins have dominated the meme coin market over the last few years. Right now, both have some of the largest fan communities in the crypto world, but the fans behind SHIB seem to be growing at a much more rapid pace. If you go look at the growth of the SHIB community versus the Doge community in the last 12 months, there is no comparison. SHIB is absolutely exploding while Doge is remaining majorly stagnant. This is especially since the summer of 2022. In turn, the value of Shiba Inu has grown as well. Right now, however, Dogecoin still holds a significant lead of more than $6 billion in market capitalization over SHIB. But ladies and gentlemen, just wait until Shibarium, Shibaswap, and all of these other major updates like the metaverse are launched. It's not going to be very long that Dogecoin holds this market capitalization and Shiba Inu Coin starts eating away at all of this. With that being said, the launch of Shibarium, Shiba Eternity, Shibaswap, and the upcoming SHIB metaverse, the Shiba Inu project is growing fast. As an entity, its value will likely grow as these initiatives are carried through. While Doge has been the head of dog meme coins, without expanding the project, its potential won't rise. Parallel to SHIB development is everything in cryptocurrency, and we are on the top of our game right now. So just wait. We're going to overtake Dogecoin. I am calling it. It's going to be less than a year. I very strongly believe that once Shibarium is live, things are going to take off, and as we know, 2 to 4 months. So excited for that Shiba Inu. Also, Dip brought us top whale adds 311 billion Shiba Inu. The breakdown of the transactions as follows: Blue Whale, right here, 73 spent $2 million to purchase a whopping 194 billion Shiba Inu coin in their first transaction, executed about 10 hours ago from press time. A few minutes later, the top ETH whale executed the second buy transaction and added an additional 117 billion SHIB worth $1.25 million to their portfolio. Huge buy-ins, right? And this is the first time that we've seen large buy-ins like this in recent history. We've seen large swaps and transactions, but not buy-ins. And this is absolutely phenomenal, right? This is very bullish, considering that we have red candlesticks and retail is selling off and Voyager is selling off and these whales are buying in. Well, let's just say that is a very good sign and most likely a signal that in the short term, next 2 to 4 months, somewhere around there, we're to be seeing some massive increases in price. We can also see, speaking of massive things, Coinbase is going to be playing a big role in the upcoming Shi launch, which is the smart contract for Shibarium. We can see right here that based on the Twitter post, the Shi smart contract, which is a stable coin that the Shiba Inu team is working on the launch. Moreover, it will be a significant part of the Shib ecosystem's growth in the coming months. Basically, Binance and Coinbase, which hold the majority of the liquidity of Shib, are expected to play a significant role in the success of Shibarium, and they're going to be helping the Shibarium team. What perhaps I am most excited about is all of the major exchanges to start burning Shiba Inu coin as well with all of their off-chain transactions from their own personal holdings. Satoshi Kusama, we need to make sure he understands that all exchanges need to agree to go ahead and work with the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem and help burn Shiba Inu coin just as we all want them to do. This will of course be absolutely phenomenal for Shiba Inu coin. See right here, the Shi smart contract empowers users to transact stable coins while ensuring complete immutability and censorship resistance. Significantly, the Shibarium network allows the community to have minimal fees with Shi. Besides, with this technology, individuals can transfer stable coins without worrying about high transaction costs or the risk of third-party interference. Of course, having Coinbase Finance and all of these other major exchanges assisting us will be absolutely phenomenal. But stay tuned, guys, because we have something massive to talk about very soon here. We can see there is actually a huge futures thing going on right now for Happy Doge Day where you can trade meme coin contracts to win a share of 50,000 USDT currently on a KuCoin. So make sure to check this out, guys, because you can actually win a lot of Shiba Inu coin. But let's go ahead and talk about this. Shib very recently received a 94.3 rating in a CertiK audit that was completed, which of course is absolutely massive considering where we are currently. Shiba Inu has achieved the top 5% of the trust score. CertiK, thank you for completing this audit. This is going to be really monumental and ensuring that everybody has absolute trust in Shiba Inu coin. We can see right here, however, the Shiba Inu payment adoption skyrockets with Binance Pay. So, as we all know, Binance Pay more recently introduced Shiba Inu coin to be part of its payment system. And we can see right here Binance Pay added support for Shiba Inu in November of last year. And since then, Shib can be accepted as a payment method in stores and merchants across various countries around the world. You see right here, Binance partnered with Lithuania-based company Coinbase to enable Binance Pay users to make payments across 200 CoinGate-powered merchants using Shiba Inu. This partnership comes after a series of strategic moves by Binance to promote Shib as a viable payment option. And earlier this year, the top real estate developer Bin Fakik, or Faki, announced that support for Shib via Binance Pay, enabling his clients to purchase real estate properties using the popular K9-themed cryptocurrency. So more and more ways of using this has been introduced, and the amount of adoption we've been seeing is absolutely insane. And it's incredible to see just how many people are using Shiba Inu coin. This is what we need to support Binance Pay. In my point of view, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be massive. So us being part of Binance Pay is honestly insane. If you guys have not used Finance Pay, I recommend checking it out. It's an amazing service where Shiba Inu Coin is, of course, supported, so we got to support them. Now, this is what I want to talk about. There's recently an article that was put out saying Shibarium is set to burn 500 billion tokens in split base fees, which will be boosting Shiba Inu's ecosystem's growth and sustainability, according to this report. Now, a Shiba Inu enthusiast explained that once Shibarium goes live, it could contribute to the burning of 500 billion SHIB tokens every single year. Now, I want to say that this number, I believe, is actually very low. 500 billion SHIB in a year. Of course, would take many years to go ahead and burn through like 500 trillion supply. I mean, if we go ahead and just do this real quick, just to show you guys, divide that by 500 billion, you'll see pretty quickly that it's going to take a long time to go ahead and burn through everything, right? Like 1,000 years for us to burn through 500 trillion Shiba Inu coin. So obviously, with all of that in mind, I do not believe is going to be the amount that Shibarium is going to be burning because of fact of development. One thing the Shiba Inu enthusiasts did not keep in mind was all of the development that is going to be coming from Shibarium, right? We're talking about Paw Zone, we're talking about new exchanges, we're talking about new DeFi applications, we're talking about new NFT projects, we're talking about new NFT games, metaverse projects, all of this stuff, all of which will be burning Shiba Inu coin. And this was never factored into Shibarium. They were just going ahead and looking at transaction volume on Shibarium, and that's it. Not talking about all of the development that will be burning the majority of the supply. I very easily think that we can 10x this and be burning 5 trillion Shiba in a coin every single year. And obviously that'll make things quite a bit faster just from Shibarium. And then of course, we still have all the other things outside of Shibarium like Shibaswap and exchange burns and tokens that are helping with burns. All that wonderful stuff, right? So with that in mind, I do think that we can get Shiba Inu coin's supply dwindled down at a very fast pace at a reasonable timeline as well. So do not believe 500 billion Shiba Inu coin. That's all we're going to burn in a year. We're going to be burning a lot more than that as long as we stay united as a community, and we continue pushing forward. And as long as everyone who's watching this video picks up some Blaze token when it is live, which I'll be announcing the pre-sale launch date very soon. So stay tuned, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and let's go ahead and do this together, ladies and gentlemen. Much love to all of you. See you next time. Peace out.